Gold yesterday created a bearish candle with a wick larger on the upside, which means the price was trying to move higher, but unsuccessfully the price has thrown it back down and closed with a small bearish candle body. We can see that the 4188.33 support level is still holding, and we can see on the 4-hour time frame the price cannot manage to find its way outside of this range area between 4235.13 and 4188.33 support level. This means this is the fight between the buyers and the sellers, and no one has enough strength to push the price in any of the directions. So based on this one, what I can see based on the daily time frame and based on the 4-hour time frame, I'm still waiting outside for the price to make a bearish or bullish breakout, which will indicate further rise or further decline in value of the price. So for now, it is the best to stay out and wait for a clean breakout and then follow the market. For now, we can see that yesterday the price was rising in value, then dropping down, and then currently the price is reaching a support level for 188.33, which means there is more selling pressure currently in this area than it is the buying pressure. But also we can see the price is still holding above this area for 196.80, which is, we can see that on the 1-hour time frame, a small support level that is still holding the price, where the price cannot manage to close below this area of support. So this means there is also a demand zone, which means buyers are waiting here, pushing the price up, not allowing the price to drop even further down. And on the 1-hour time frame, we can see how the price has behaved. Yesterday's strong move up, then strong move down, which is indicating a strong bearish pressure right here above this area of resistance, and a strong bullish pressure right here around this area of support. So for now, I'm waiting outside, and what is very important is that the daily support level is still holding, which means the daily candle has not closed below this area of support. If the candle closes below this area of support, this will indicate a loss of the demand zone, which means the buyers have lost the fight against the sellers. But if the price managed to go above this area of resistance, which is around 4230, and on the 4-hour time frame it is 4235.13, this will indicate a strong bullish pressure, which means they have enough strength to push the price against the bears and push the price on the higher price levels. So for now, for the gold, staying outside, waiting for a clean breakout and then follow the market. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.